Hi, welcome back to Build with Kepler podcast hosted by yours truly, Kepler Signal. On this podcast, we build tech, businesses, and cities. So, for this video, we'll be building our app, Win Friends. It was inspired by the book Win Friends and Influence People. In the book, there is a story shared by Dale Carnegie of a man who was able to remember thousands of people's names. And I was astonished by it because I wasn't able to do the same thing. I've had difficulties growing up with remembering people's names and details about them. So I thought I could put my tech skills to help me with that. So I built the Win Friends app. So the main function is to store people's names that I meet throughout my life, throughout the day, throughout locations I attend to, and just have a little detail about them so that I'm able to remember their names. Sometimes I still struggle with pronunciations, but now at least I know their names and I can ask them again if I mispronounce their names. So this app is built for Android, and we use Android Studio for that. We use Java. So if you have any experience with Java, then it would be a lot easier to build. And if you already are building Android apps, then it'll be super simple to follow along with our building of the app. So the technology that we'll be using, since we're making a local app, we'll only be using the Room database, which is a SQLite database for Android development. And we'll be using vanilla Java. We won't be doing any connectivity, so we don't have to create any servers. Our app is going to be relatively simple. We will be displaying our friends. We will have a search function so we can find friends by their names. And so this way we can just click and find the details about them, whatever it is, any fun facts or anything of that nature. And we also have the ability to add more friends. So whenever we meet somebody new, we can just add them to our list and keep track of people that we've met and keep track of the names, which is like the most important thing. And we also have the ability to export that information. So since the application is locally stored, it's important to have it exported so that the user is able to send that information either to their computer or to some other hard drive that they want to use. And so our next video will be focusing on the building of the UX and the UI, and after that we'll be building the actual application. I will be sharing my screen and how we formulate the code and things of nature, and you guys can follow along and copy and paste as you like. And the reason why I'm building this is because I think it's cool and I want to give back because I've learned a lot on YouTube, so I want to be able to help anybody who is learning how to code with this project. So if you guys are interested, then you can follow me with this project, and it will also be available for you guys to download on the Google Play Store. Thank you, and see you again.